Wouldn't it be nice if you had a proven product made just for you that you could sell to your local business clients in a matter of a couple of hours? A product that would give local businesses what they want most: leads and customers. Marketing consultants everywhere struggle with creating products and services that they can actually sell and make a profit from. The biggest reasons why that is falls into one of three areas. Do these sound familiar to you? You don't know how to create an online product or service in the first place. You don't have the time to do it yourself. You don't have the budget to pay someone else to do it for you. And we know how tough it can be. We've been there too. And we think it's a tragedy and completely unfair for people like you to struggle while others make big money. And that's why we decided to do something about it. Introducing Local Niche Lead Gen Content Kits. Pre-made, done-for-you products you can claim as your own and sell to local businesses. It works like this. You decide what niche markets you're going to help and then use our pre-made PLR products, also known as private label rights, to get up and running in a matter of hours versus days or months it would take you to create everything yourself. You see, with PLR products, we pass the legal rights on to you so you can use them as your own. Instead of spending thousands of dollars and hours of time creating content yourself, we do it for you. This is the beauty of PLR. And here at marketingconsultantplr.com, we use only the top professionals in our industry to research, test, write, and create the content for all of our products. Which means you'll always know you're getting the best, most up-to-date, and high-converting content and products available on the market today, resulting in more profits for you and your clients. All of our local niche lead gen content kits come with everything you see on this page, including Lead Gen Site Package. This is a full-blown lead gen site that comes in 2 different versions, so you can test the best one for your clients. Included are 2 WordPress themes, as HTML5 version and 2 versions of ClickFunnels. Conversion videos. Each niche comes with their very own set of lead gen conversion videos, specific to that niche, and all of them come in USA and UK voiceovers. Lead Magnet Report. Each niche has its own report that ranges from 4,000 words to 7,000 words or more. Lead Magnet Checklist. Each niche has a 2-page checklist that makes it easy for a visitor to consume. Autoresponder Message. One of the biggest conversion tools is having a set of follow-up email messages. Those are included too. You also get a set of blog post articles plus the source files to everything so you can customize as needed. And lastly, we include a quick start guide and onboard training. It's important to know that what we provide is the pre-made content you can use. We do not provide detailed training on the various services you can offer or the tactics you can use to execute those services. That is not what the PLR products are about. And we're excited to show you just how powerful and easy using our PLR products can be for your business. Simply scroll down this page and click the Buy Now button.